actually. Here, look and enjoy and feel. Beat LA. Anyways, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you the other side of my hat and what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code RamenRater and get a discount, which is fun. Or you can just choose not to and you won't get a discount. So, yeah. This is Sapporo Ichiban Mentaiko Tonkotsu. Only takes 2 minutes. That's pretty neat. So we will jump into this one right now. And as you can see, I don't have the bowl anymore. Well, what do we do? Well, we make it in a pot. We make it in a pot, but we steep it in that pot. Noodles, powder base, veg, oil after. Two minutes. I'm going to give it a little swizzle, but that's about it. Rest it on its side. And cover it up. So, it's funny. It was like a couple episodes ago, I was like, predictions. Because these episodes, as you know, right now it's January 29th. So you're in February. And I was like, so, future, is the shutdown still going on? Well, they ended it. Rather, Trump and Mr. Trump ended it. President Trump ended it. And now I guess he's going to start it back up in February if he doesn't get what he wants, and he's not going to get what he wants. It's like a weird game of like chicken. I don't know, but we'll see. I don't see a lot of winners in this kind of game. So, I mean, the amount of money that I guess it's costing to like start the government back up is a lot. I don't know how that works, but yeah. What can you do? Well, you can vote for somebody else. That's what I'm going to do. I didn't vote for I didn't vote for him in the first place. But I'm in Washington. It really doesn't matter who I vote for. It really didn't matter the last election either. Just due to the fact that Washington went Clinton, of course, but Washington went wholeheartedly Bernie Sanders in the caucusing, in the primary. Delegates were just like, no. We're more important than you mere mortals. Which really still bugs me. And somebody on Morning Joe this morning was making a really, really good point. So, what's his name? Howard Schultz, the guy from the former CEO or whatever of Starbucks, wants to get in the race. Throw his hat in. And everybody, it's just like, as soon as somebody that's not the favorite throws their hat in, you're gonna lose it for other people and blah, 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 blah. But you've got all these progressives demanding that we have a flawed two-party system. So what the... They don't know what they want. They don't know what's gonna work. They know what's gonna work just about as well as I do, which I don't. So. Anyways, I know this looks like it's gonna work. It smells good. So Mentaiko is fish eggs. So we'll see how this tastes. First, the noodle, very thin, 2-minute cook time, or steep time rather. Not bad. Alright. Milky tonkotsu. I'm looking for those little eggs, but that's good. That is a tasty tonkotsu. Not the tonkotsu most people probably are like, oh yeah, that's like a strong pork broth and blah blah blah. Yes and no, I guess, is the right answer I would give to it. Kinda-ish. The side of yeah, I guess. So, I'm gonna dress it up like a tonkotsu though. This is the bowl I reserve for smaller ones from time to time. This one has, the amount of water it needed was 340 milliliters. And I thought maybe this bowl would be just right for that. Here's a couple slices of pork. Some mung bean sprouts. Give a little bit of color by submerging. And then a little bit of the old 1, 2, badinga, badinga, badinga. And I think, well, about a little bit of this. Some, pepper powder. Oh yeah. Looky there. That came out looking nice. Alright, well this is the last review of the day for me, so now I get to go edit video and images and get posts uploaded and all that good jazz. So, whoops. As long as the noodles don't fall on the floor. So this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. I'd like to thank everybody for watching and have a good one. Bye.